Hey, DJ Battery here. Today, we will be taking a look about why my son's swing is not working correctly. I have it on the highest speed. It's not really okay. So my first problem, I might have to unscrew the back of here to get to this piece here. And then, so first we're gonna fix what's going on with the swing itself. Then we're gonna move on to the vibration. So you will need batteries for this piece. And it's mainly C batteries. Let me unscrew this piece, because I showed you part of the way to unscrew it. Out pops a cover. Takes 4 of these batteries. The C batteries. I'm gonna put them in the recycle over here. Got some batteries flat against that little contact here. Don't know how good these ones are, but we'll find out. There's these little abrasions. I can probably show you one of them. So there's a little thing here. I don't think my camera will focus, but it's like a little metal piece. A little metal spring thing. Flat goes here. And I'm going to show you really. You could probably see it better with the vibrations. And we have a better movement. Swing works as it did before. Let me put the cover on. And then after I put the cover on, we're going to do the next step, which is the vibrate unit, which that's going to be easier. So now I know that all these are new. I'm going to screw this in place. Okay. Now, we're going to see what we're going to do with this vibration thing. We're going to lift it up. I think this is going to take C batteries. We'll see if I have the battery. And then so I have this resting. If it is a C battery, I can open and fix it. That comes off. It's a C battery. Now you'll see this little metal thing here. Little metal spring in right here. Okay. Let me take the battery out of that pack. As you saw the spring, I'm gonna take one out of this and just install it. Let me just put the pack aside because we only need one C battery. And I'm gonna put the screwdriver aside. So I lift the seat up. This has had a lot of corrosion on there, corrode from when the swing was used, but this thing here, this piece here, they match up. Vibration is working. So now, since that is working, I'm gonna put the cover on and screw it in. This piece has been dead for a while, so I think that's why the batteries kind of explode. But it wasn't too bad. And then that just rests. And the swing works. That's how you change batteries in the Bright Starts 2-in-1 baby swing. Subscribe and have a nice day.